So on our 2001 Porsche Boxster, the towel caught this here. I was able to glue it back on, but it looks pretty terrible. And if in general you ever lose this, whether it's the Boxster emblem, the S emblem, or both, you can purchase them online. I'm going to put an affiliate link on Amazon in the description of this to buy them. There's multiple videos on how to do this on YouTube, but you take a heat gun or even a blow dryer and you go back and forth, and what that does is it gets the adhesive sort of liquefied, and then you can take dental floss and then you can, with two hands, make a sawing motion and slowly remove the emblem that way, and then use rubbing compound on, like after you take the emblem off, you'll see where the word was and then the mark from the adhesive, and you can polish that down with rubbing compound. Purchase the new insignia, which comes with adhesive, and then put it on in its place.